Welcome to this quick video on how to use our school shared calendar. I'm going to show you how to do it using the Outlook version installed on your computer and the Outlook version on the web. Let's first log into the web version. We're going to go to Office 365 and log in. And then we're going to click on the side here to where it says Outlook. And that's how you can start Outlook if you're on the web. And we'll go there. At the same time, I've launched my Outlook here on the app on my personal computer. I'll just close it down and run it again. So starting up Outlook and running it that way, whether on a PC or a Mac. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is switch to Calendar View. This can be done in the top corner here. Right under the little mail icon is the calendar icon, and that's how you can switch back as well from calendar back to mail. So I'm going to switch to calendar. And on the web version, I'm going to do the same thing. It's just a slightly different look to the icon, but there it is, switching to calendar. So that's how you can, first of all, see the calendars on Outlook and how they are displayed. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you is all the potential calendars that are there. You have your own, and then, of course, the most important one is the school shared calendar. This should have been shared with you through email. If you don't have this calendar showing up either on the web version or in this case on the app or the program version, email administration to make sure that calendar is added for you. That allows you to see that calendar. Okay, now if you have other calendars, that's fine as well. And they might be in a slightly different view. They might be in this view that looks like this right here, where it has one calendar and then another calendar beside it. If you're using the web version, that probably won't happen. It tends to combine the calendars together automatically. If you're using the app version, you can combine the calendars by just clicking on this little arrow right here, and it'll merge the two calendars or the three calendars or however many you want to merge together, and you can unmerge them the same way if you wish. And that's how you can view the shared calendar for the school. Finally, to add an event to that shared calendar, what's really important is you want to make sure you've selected and highlighted the school shared calendar. And if we're on the web version, same thing. Make sure that's highlighted, that it's clicked on. Okay. Sometimes when clicking on it, you accidentally unselect it, so you might have to just do that twice really quickly. And then you're going to click New Event, or in the app version, you're going to click New Appointment. They essentially mean the same thing. So here I'm clicking New Appointment. This will pop up. And on the web version, I'm clicking New Event, and this will pop up. In both of these, there's something you want to check to make sure that when the event you're adding is adding to the shared calendar. On the web version, you can see it right here. This is actually the wrong one. So I'm going to click here and make sure it says School Staff Calendar. In the app version, you want to look down at the bottom here and make sure that it's the case, that it's there. And if not, close out this event or this appointment and rebuild it again just to make sure it's adding it to the correct one. Because what you might be doing is accidentally adding this event to your own personal calendar, which means other people that this calendar are shared with will not see that event. Then all you need to do is add your title, your times, and any other details. There are certainly a lot more details that we could go into, but that's the crucial piece of what you need to add those calendars and things like that. In the document that has this step-by-step tutorial, there's also a link to even more Outlook tips, or just come see me if you have any questions.